I'm Kennedy Kane. I'm a delivery coordinator here at Kane Chevrolet in Marinette, and today we're going to take a look on the inside of the all-new 2020 Chevy Equinox LT. We're going to start here at the driver's side door. You can see here you're going to have all 4 window buttons and child lock for the windows. The child lock for the windows are going to control all the other windows besides the driver's side windows. Now above these buttons, you're going to see the keypad and mirror buttons. These are going to control the mirrors and moving them to where you want. All you do is press one, it will light up. You use the keypad to where you want them and press it again to turn it off. Above that, you're going to see you have your lock and unlock buttons as well. Now moving into the vehicle, we're going to find the dimmer for the dash up here and your lights. Your lights are set on auto right now, but they can be moved. Now to the steering wheel, you're going to find the cruise control here. You're going to have on and off, reset,